Hi, I'm Alison Eager, a professional ballet dancer and online dance coach with years of experience performing across stage, TV and film. I've been in films such as Snow White, and I've also been in TV series such as The Witcher, The Regime, The Forsyte Saga and many more. In this week's Hairstyle Camp Originals, I'm going to show you how to create a French twist that actually holds through rehearsals and dance auditions, as well as being on stage. Because honestly, I've seen this style fall out more times mid-performance than any other style. So this is how we make the stage-proof French twist. Step 1. First, we want to start with a really solid base. I like to work with slightly textured hair, not freshly washed, or I'll add a bit of grip using spray, hair mousse, or even dry shampoo. I start by brushing the hair to really smooth it out and get rid of any lumps or bumps, and working in a little bit of product, or if your hair is nicely unwashed, it will have some natural hair oils, and this will help hold the style. And it will also help grip the pins, so as soon as you start moving on stage, it's not going to fall out. Step 2. Next, we're going to gather the hair at the nape of the neck, almost like we're making a low ponytail. You're going to start twisting upwards. It's very important to keep a vertical line throughout this shaping of the hair. You want to keep the twist tight and as close to the head as you can. This is where a lot of people go wrong. If it's too loose here, it will not last. Step 3, we're going to tuck the hair and shape. So as we're twisting the hair, we're going to tuck the ends into the roll. So you start shaping your French twist, smoothing and shaping as you go. You want a clean, elongated shape that feels secure against your head, not bulky and not loose. Now, for the most important part, the pinning. We're going to be using a mixture of U-pins and straight pins, but I'm going to mainly be using our U-pins as compared to the standard grips, they anchor into the twist and embed into the hair more easily, and they stay put at the base of your hair, so they're not going to slip out as you move. It's almost like you're stitching the style into place. Whereas the straight pins can come very loose as soon as you start moving, which won't make it stage proof at the end of the day. Step 5. Once it's secure, I will set with hairspray, and I'll take a tiny amount of hair gel and smooth it over the surface of the twist and along the sides to make sure that everything stays nicely put. Make sure you're distributing the tension very evenly so you do not put any unnecessary tension on the hair or on the hairline, and we protect that beautiful hair from getting damaged. Step 6. This is the finished look. It's very clean, very secure and stage ready. You can also soften it slightly by loosening the tension or adjusting the styling depending on what you're going for. Now it's time to test it out. I'm going to try a few turns, jumps, a few movements to see where my head is having to whip around to see if this bun is actually stage proof. This is showing exactly what it needs to withstand in rehearsals and on stage to check if it's actually stage proof. And there you have it. Not a hair moved, anchored beautifully in place. All of the steps that we laid down made sure that this bun was immovable, and each pin, spray of hairspray, and choice of tension added to the lovely balance of the stage-proof French twist. Thank you so much for watching. I've been Alison Eager, and this has been your Hairstyle Camp Originals stage-proof French twist. Let me know in the comments below if you give it a try, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment for more. I've been Alison. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.